guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna eat egg and I love eggs. I don't want to eat a lot today because last night I ate a lot.
Your stupid cat piano, but only for 30 minutes, okay?
Daddy, that's so inward.
What?
So
Yeah, we're about to go outward to the park.
Okay, well, let me go pee first.
No, Daddy, we gotta go right now.
But I gotta use the bathroom.
No, Daddy, it can wait.
Okay, fine, let's go. I'll just pee at the park.
Pee.
All right, Jeffy, we're only gonna be at the park for 30 minutes, okay?
Daddy, I'm gonna ride the F out of this donkey.
Jeffy, that's a duck. All right, Jeffy, well, I really have to go pee, so I'm gonna find a bush.
This is so good,
Take
guys.
it more than 3 times you're playing with it.
All right. Oh, man, I gotta pee.
You found me. You went hide
Very
and
right.
seek.
What?
Very good.
This guy's got his wiener out. He's trying to pee on me.
No, I didn't even know you were in the bush. I was peeing. I didn't see you.
Mommy, help me.
What's the matter, sweetie?
This guy's got his wiener out.
Ah, you got your wiener. Why are you trying to show your wiener, my baby? No, I was peeing in the bush. I didn't know he was in the bush.
Wiener. He got his wiener out. Wiener.
Jeffy, we have to go
This
home
tastes
right
very
now.
nice.
Daddy, it hasn't been 30 minutes yet. I've been counting.
Well, Jeffy, if we leave right now, I'll buy you Legos.
2 boxes?
Yes.
How about 4 boxes?
Yes, whatever. Let's just go.
Idiot, I want to sell them for 2.
Okay, come on, let's go. Oh my God, what do I do? What do I do? What do I do? What do I do?
Well, first of all, you go give me my Lego.
Hold on, Jeffy. Daddy will get you your Legos. Just let me see if I'm in trouble first.
Oh, must be the Lego guy bringing me my Legos.
Oh, please don't be the cops. Hello?
Wiener Man. That's the Wiener Man. Excuse me, sir. Are you the Wiener Man?
Well, no, I'm not the wiener man.
Really? Because this kid says you whipped your hog out at a public park.
My hog.
Yeah, you know, your pelvic pork pumpkin.
What?
You know, come on, man. Your yogurt hose.
Yogurt hose.
Yeah, you know, your wang bang doodle. Your Vienna sausage.
Well, no, this is what happened. I was at the park with my son, and I had to pee, so I peed in a bush.
With the kid in it.
Well, I didn't know there was a kid in it, okay? I thought I could just pee in a random bush.
In the park.
Well, yeah, well, where else am I supposed to pee?
I don't know, in the bathroom like a normal person?
Well, animals pee in bushes.
Yeah, and that's what you are, an animal. And you should be locked up like an animal.
Oh, come on, I just peed in a bush. I should be in trouble for that.
Well, that's illegal, and now you gotta register as a opinion.
What?
Come on, man, you know I can't say that.
Oh, I don't have to register as that. Look, I didn't do anything wrong. Look, I'm sorry that I didn't see the kid when I was, doing my thing in the bush.
Yeah, well, that's too bad, because that's illegal, and now you gotta be under arrest.
I do?
Yeah, you do, so turn around.
Oh, look, can we work something out?
Well, you're trying to pee on me now? That might work.
What?
Just come on. Breaking news, okay? Mario, the face of Nintendo, has been caught with his pants down, whizzing on a bush that had a boy named Patrick in it. Nintendo has yet to respond, but Mario now has to register as a Señor. What has this world come to? All right, you're out on bail, but you're not allowed within 100 feet of a park or a Chuck E. Cheese.
This is ridiculous.
You want to know what's ridiculous? I still haven't gotten my Legos yet.
You're right, Jeffy. I'm sorry. Hey, officer, can I take my son Jeffy to the toy store so I can buy him some Legos?
Absolutely not. You know what they have at a toy store?
What?
Kids. And you know what you like to do when you're around kids?
What?
Take a leak.
I don't like to take a leak when I'm around kids. Look, it happened one time. I was at a park. I had to pee. There was a bush right there. I didn't see the kid. Look, I couldn't hold it.
Oh yeah? And what happens when you can't hold it at the toy store? You gonna start peeing on toys?
No.
It's called Tickle Me Elmo, not Tinkle on Me Elmo.
I know that. You don't fine. Look, here. Take my credit card and just buy Jeffy Legos. He wants 4 boxes.
4 boxes? Dang! What did he do to get 4 boxes? I want to do it. All I had to do was come home. Wow. You know what I get for coming home?
What?
I get burned dinner and saggy hoo-hoos.
Well, I'm sorry about that.
Yeah, me too. I'll be back with your Legos. All right, I got the 4 Lego sets.
All right, Jeffy. There's your Legos.
Yes, I got my Legos. Well, I actually got 5 because I wanted one for me. It's a big space station. One of the bricks even lights up and everything. It's so cool.
I didn't say you could get Legos.
But he got 4.
I know he got 4, but he earned his. You didn't earn yours.
I earned mine. Look, man, I was just doing my job. If it were legal, I'd be peeing on everything. I'd pee all over your house.
All right, we're going to take that back.
Okay, fine, but we're gonna do that after you go door to door telling everyone you're a snot offender.
I have to do that?
Yes, it's required by law. You have to go door to door telling everyone how much of a freak you are so they don't go trick-or-treating here because you might pee on them.
I really have to do that?
Yeah, so come on.
Oh.
All right, Mario, we're at your first house.
So what do I have to do again?
You just walk up there, knock on the door, and then tell the person that you're a registered snot-offender.
And I have to do this?
Yes, it's required by law.
Okay.
First, though, you're gonna go up and ring the doorbell, and then you're gonna run away giggling like a little girl.
Look, you want me to ding-dong ditch his house?
Yes, because it'll be fun.
Okay. sure about this?
It'll be so funny.
Okay.
Hello? Hello? Man, what the helicopters? Somebody playing a prank on us. God dang it.
You think it's Hoss?
No, that was Rand.
Oh my god, what do we do now?
Well, now you actually do have to go up there and tell him you're a registered snitch.
I still have to do that?
Yeah, so let's go.
Alright, let's do this. I'm so nervous.
Another doorbell? I swear to Jewish God, if there's nobody at this door, I'm gonna yank my ear off. Hello?
Excuse me, sir.
Look, I don't want your lemonade, okay?
Yeah, believe me, you don't want any of this guy's lemonade. Go ahead, Mario, tell him how weird you are.
Well, sir, my name is
Freak!
My name is
Weirdo!
My name.
Sick!
Are you gonna keep doing that? My name is Mario, and I'm required by law to tell you that I'm a registered snitch.
Wait, register something in my neighborhood?
Yeah, you think you know somebody, right?
I'm so sorry, sir, to tell you that, but I have to tell you that I peed in a bush at a park.
You peed on the bush. Were there the kids around?
There was a kid in the bush.
What's wrong with you? You better get out of my neighborhood, weirdo.
Yeah, you deserve that. Alright, next house. Alright, next
This is
house.
the end of the
Please
video
don't
now,
keep making me
guys.
do this.
You have to.
Have a good day now. Peace. Bye.